All right, we're in Garfield Park, chilling. So we're in Garfield Park. I'll kind of do a 360. I don't know how slow of a 360 that is, but so last time we were here, they had the pond water things were going on right now. So I guess in the fall they don't run in the fall time, I guess they don't run those water things, so the water fountains. So this is your boy JR, aka Lone Wolf Bushcraft. We're in Garfield Park. We're not running the these are water areas, and they're not running the little fountains. So last time I was here, you guys saw in the video they were running the fountains. So. Bummer, they're not running the fountains this time. And I'm chilling out with the wife. That's the wife. That's the wife. That's my mother-in-law. And my daughter's up front. So. And that's what the entrance looks like when you walk into the Garfield Garden Park Gardens. So, just another beautiful Sunday. Just chilling out. Chilling out with the family. Chilling out with the Juanita. Hola, Juanita. Hola, hola.
Hola, hola.
There's the Chrissy. Hola, hola. There's the mommy.
Hola, hola. Hola, hola, camarón con cola. Camarón con cola.
So those are like water fountains, right, Mommy?
Yeah, unless it's kind of oh, you know, the guy should know.
And what's the date today? It's Sunday, and what's the date?
Today is the 20th.
Today's the 20th?
September 20th.
September 20th.
September 2020.
2020. September 20th, 2020. So yeah, Garfield Park's real pretty. Kind of wish the fountains were running, but I guess that's the thing they don't do in the fall. So yeah, it's a beautiful park. We're walking off our lunch. We had delicious angel hair pasta. My wifey looks like she wants a picture, so I'll have to give her a picture. Let me give her a picture. So I stopped and took a beautiful picture of my wife, and I also stopped and took a beautiful picture of my mother-in-law and my daughter joining my wife here in Garfield Park. We're having a nice time walking around, and I took some quick pictures because they really wanted some pictures taken. So I hope you guys and gals like this video. We're still walking around the park, and hope you like it. So little family decided to walk around Garfield Park Gardens here. I'm here in Indianapolis, Indiana. This time I'm gonna walk down to the water. Last time I didn't walk down to the water, so this time I'm gonna walk down to the water this time. I'm gonna walk down to the water. Yeah, last time we were here, we didn't walk down to the water. Aww. Like, the water fountains aren't going. But that's cool. That's pretty cool. Looks relaxing. Even though there's no fountains going, it's relaxing. So that's cool. So yeah, it's relaxing. I kind of wish the fountains were going. Anyways, what we had, my wife made this very delicious meal. It was angel hair pasta. Delicious angel hair pasta. Had a Corona extra beer. We had garlic bread. It was delicious. It was really good. So, hope you guys and gals are all doing well. I'm waving to my mother-in-law. She's so cute. There she is. She's right there waving to me. They're so cute. There they are waving. There they are waving to me. They're so cute. So my little Peruvian family was waving to me, so that made me laugh. I'm trying to walk off that angel hair pasta I just ate, so yeah, that was some rich, very rich angel hair pasta. I'm trying to walk off that delicious angel hair pasta and Corona I had. She's so cute. She's so cute. Oh yeah, you go. I try not to put that in focus. I'm holding it in, but I gotta hold my pants up if I do that. Wow, I gotta pull up the britches. I have been losing weight though, so that's cool. Yeah, it's a bummer. The fountains aren't on, so that's kind of a bummer. That's the mother-in-law saying "ta bien, ta bien" to all you folks out there. So this is a nice way to chill and relaxation. Mommy's expression is priceless. My wife is looking at me like a Peruvian gangster. Wow, my daughters tell me do a lap around the fountain, and my wife's looking at me like a Peruvian gangster, and my mother-in-law looks like she's the boss of the family. Run a lap around the fountain. People will look at me if I run a lap. I won't be looked at so much if I just walk. Not. You tell me run a. I'll tell you what. I'll fast walk it. All right, we're gonna fast walk this fountain. There we go. We're gonna fast walk it around the fountain. Sorry for the shakiness. But I'm at least gonna do a fast walk around the fountain. I don't know if I'm gonna put this in the video. I may. I'll probably put it in the video. Okay, that's a little switch on. Oh my God. Just showing a little bit of effort doing it in a little bit of a jog. My daughter said, do the whole thing. Don't just do the fountain. She said, my daughter said, do the whole thing. My daughter said, do the whole thing. I saw you, Chrissy, say, do the whole thing. I think she's gonna tell me to do the whole thing. All right, there goes my daughter, Chrissy.
Ready?
There she is.
Here, you can do a lap with me. Ready?
Let me see if I can pull up my Brits first.
Okay,
Here,
ready?
get on this side.
We can start this.
Oh, we're gonna do the whole thing?
Yeah, ready?
Okay.
Turn left.
Turn left. We're gonna turn left again.
No, go straight.
Oh no! You know I'm not in very good shape, right?
That's why you have to run with me.
Hold on, we gotta pause for a second. I gotta pull.
And then we go back though.
My shorts are.
Then we go back this way.
My shorts were falling down a little bit.
Okay, ready?
I'll go. You know I'm not in shape, right?
No, you are. You just gotta run for real.
I'm in a little bit of shape.
Then we turn right.
You're in a lot of shape. I mean, you make it look easy. She's not even wearing running shoes.
Then you turn left. We'll go back.
Go where?
Go back this way. Okay.
Oh,
I'll run this way.
oh man. I'm gonna cut. There she goes.
We gotta run this way.
Keep going. I'll follow you here.
Go run this way.
Woo!
I'll wait for you.
You waiting for me?
Just 5 minutes of running today is
Are you waiting for me to catch my breath? Okay.
we're jogging. Not running.
Yeah, we're jogging, not running.
All you have to do is 5 minutes of jogging a day, and they say you can live
I
5
need
more
to get
years.
myself in some shape. My daughter's in way better shape than me. Oh my goodness.
Melissa's gonna join us running. Ooh, you're almost done.
Oh, we're almost done. Almost done. Yeah. That wasn't too bad. It'd be better if I was in some shape. How come you're in such good shape?
Because I run during the week.
Wow. Oh my God.
I started running 15 to 20 minutes a day.
Cool. That's a good
I
workout.
don't run that long.
Oh no, look what Abuelita's doing. Look. Mercedes is, that's my mother-in-law. She's letting her lay on the bench there. I don't know if that means the wife's gonna join us walking around. I'm trying to catch my breath after that jog. One time I went running with my daughter just for a run, and halfway through the run, she just started. And then I started falling behind. Now that day we had our running shorts on, running shirts on, and my daughter was running.
We'll start doing the training
I
program.
I could only keep up with her halfway, and then she was gone. She's definitely a runner. She's also an avid surfer, so that's pretty cool. I think she wants to get me. She wants to get me into surfing for sure.
Yep, you can be the dad
Yeah.
longboarder, Brew.
Guess we have a dream of.
like a longboard.
We dream about retiring in Peru or South Africa and maybe get our surf on. So that would be cool. But yeah, if you guys are ever in Indianapolis, Indiana, come to Garfield Park. It's a real pretty park. There's a black butterfly. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's pretty.
And butterfly food, it could land on me.
So anyways, I hope you guys and gals are all doing well. That'll be it for this video. We're gonna go and keep doing our walk. I hope you guys and gals are all doing well. Thanks for tuning in to Lowell Bushcraft YouTube channel, and I'll talk to you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share my videos with your friends and family, those videos that you like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later. Later, Gators. Take care. Peace. Later, Gators. Take care. Bye. From Garfield Park. Take care, everybody. Later, Gators. Peace.